Welcome back everyone. This is week 2. It was a week ago today that we got the Hillman Imp. And we've been working hard, I'm telling you. We've had all hands on deck. We've had some guests coming in helping us out. We've had welders, we've had mechanics, we've had all sorts. We've had some people come and look at the interior. It's going to be absolutely incredible. We've done all sorts. We've got so much, you know, wire brush sanded, fucking rust gone. We got so much done. We've been working hard and we have a long way left to go. We're only 1 week in of a fair few week project, but we're all pretty confident, we're all pretty happy with what's going on. We got bag brake over here because we can't work that hard now, can we?
No, you can't.
We've all got eye protection masks, so I think
Yeah, put your eye protection on.
We're becoming more and more professional.
I've got my eye protection.
Right. And
Dickhead.
here we have karate. Ta-da! Karate.
So H has been out and he's bought spray paint, more spray paint, paint thinner, flush remover, plastic sheet, cans of welding gas, wire drill bits for sanding, and a fucking welder.
Right, this is called chop strand mat. It's basically the structural integrity in fiberglass. You can get different types of mat, but this is chop strand mat. All the strands are in different directions. Structural integrity all around. Yeah. You've got your resin. This is the stuff that keeps it all together. It's a liquid. You've got your catalyst or hardener. This one's hardener, accelerant. This makes that hard. Simple as that. Now what you want, so for example here, you want this completely sanded, completely grinded down. Because you need a good surface for it to stick onto. Here, this is one I did the other day, but it wasn't sanded down properly. So the paint came off and the fiberglass was just attached to the paint. So it didn't have anything sticking it down. Now, if you're doing it properly, and you're doing it for a business or something, you want to have mathematics involved. You want to know how much mat to use, how much hardener to use, and how much resin to use. I'm not going to do that, because I'm good at what I do. And basically, you throw it all, no, you don't do that. You mix this and that to the correct amount. If you're winging it, they say tennis ball to a pea. You want a tennis ball worth of this, and you want a pea worth of this.
So here, I've molested the tank out of the vehicle. It's now down here. So, we've got the fuel line, which comes off the bottom of the tank, to a piece of air hose, to the air compressor gun. We've got Alex at the other end of the car. With the other end of the fuel line. We're going to blow it through, because we haven't got any fuel coming from the fuel tank to the fuel pump, and we know the fuel pump is good. So we're going to blow it through and see how much shit comes out the other end.
Yeah, it's coming through, bro.